Dr. Jenna Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite tips that I use for my patients to continue to have success with the things that we're working on in the office when they are at home. And one of the things can be really helpful is self-massage. So there's not always time or the financial resources to go get a massage as often as we might like to or we might need to. So there are some techniques that you can use at home to get some of the benefits of massage. So massage helps to relieve pain and tension. It increases blood flow to the muscle so that your body can heal and clear out any stuff that is bogged down in the tissues, which can speed up healing. It can also help to really facilitate and enhance what we're doing in the office. So we're primarily focused on adjustments. And then the massage can really help to keep things where we have put them when we did the adjustment. And then we can retrain those muscles through exercise, but that's for another video. So the self-massage is pretty simple. You can use your hands, but you can also use something as simple as a massage ball, something like this. It's got little spikes. It's not super firm. It has a little bit of give, and it's really common that I have people do this if they're having forearm or wrist pain. So my people that use their hands a lot. So people that are at the computers, people that are drawing or writing a lot, people that have jobs that require hands-on stuff like chiropractors, massage therapists, people of that nature, or people who have hobbies that they use their hands a lot. People that knit or crochet are really common to need this type of self-massage. So I'll demonstrate that for you. I like using the ball because then we're not tiring up the muscles on our opposite arm or opposite side by doing the massage. So just really nice circles and firm pressure, but you're not pushing really hard. It's to your tolerance. And I recommend that patients do this when they're sitting, maybe watching TV or reading or relaxing at the end of the day, just as part of your routine for 10 or 15 minutes in the different areas that we've talked about in the office. And you'll see a difference in the pain levels, in the inflammation and tension, and just how your muscles are overall feeling. So hopefully you found this self-massage technique helpful. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.